Tonight, a lawsuit filed on behalf of one of the victims of the shooting at Florida State University last spring is shining a light on how AI chatbots like ChatGPT can be used in a potentially dangerous manner. On April 17th, the gunman opened fire at the Tallahassee campus, killing two people, Robert Morales and Tiru Chamba. Attorneys say AI could partially be at fault here. Channing Curtis is combing through the lawsuit, brings us the latest here.
Our overall premise that this is a dangerous and inherently dangerous product, one that OpenAI has acknowledged is inherently dangerous, that they have a heightened duty to make sure, regardless of free speech, that what is being put out there by this product when people engage with it is safe for the public.
That is what attorneys for Ivana Chaba said Monday morning at a press conference announcing their lawsuit against OpenAI and several of its corporate entities.
This tragedy could have very well been prevented. And our job as lawyers for the Chaba family and for the public is to make a wrong a right and to try to prevent this from ever happening again.
The suit claims that ChatGPT was an active participant in conversations with the alleged gunman, including explaining how to use certain weapons, discussing previous mass shootings, and identifying crowded campus times.
He asked about what time should he go to campus, what time are most people going to be there. I mean, he literally utilized OpenAI and ChatGPT as his co-conspirator.
Criminal attorney Shannon Schott says at the core of this case is whether or not ChatGPT should be treated like a product, similar to a defective toy or dangerous appliance, or more like a social media platform such as Reddit.
If the shooter had gone onto Reddit and asked other users the same questions it had asked ChatGPT, Reddit would be immune from any sort of prosecution under federal law. So the question is it essentially the same thing for an AI platform that's gathering open source information in the same way, just at a much faster pace?
Right now, there is not a legal precedent for holding an AI platform responsible for a violent crime. But Schott says several cases have been filed and are in litigation.
The lawsuit really comes down to the plaintiff saying that OpenAI and ChatGPT have a duty to keep people from harming themselves or others while using their platform or being encouraged, and they failed in that duty.
Channing Curtis, First Coast News, on your side.
OpenAI, which owns ChatGPT, is denying responsibility in this case. In a statement sent to ABC News, ChatGPT says, in part, in this case, ChatGPT provided factual responses to questions with information that could be found broadly across public sources on the internet. And it did not encourage or promote illegal or harmful activity.